it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm just doing a really quick video. I'm super busy today. It is my Stampin' Up anniversary today. I have been a demonstrator exactly 2 years today, and I am just about literally heading out of the door to Birmingham to my very first team meeting with some of my lovely team Scrimpy, and we're going to have a day of crafting tomorrow in a hotel and have lunch, and it's going to be marvellous. So you will know by now that the catalogue is live. I can show you the inside now. Have a look at all of those lovelies. Now, if you're one of my customers or you've requested a catalogue, you will have this in your possession. If you don't and you still need one, let me know and I can get one out to you in the post. There's just a couple of things I need to really quickly discuss. The first one is my monthly kit. I do kits every month, Stampin' Up based kits, and this month's kit is based around the tea room suite here, which if you look in your new catalogue is on pages 14 to 15. Now I have put adverts up on my social media, and there is a page on my blog. If you go to my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, at the top near the header is a section called June Stampin' Selections Kit, and if you click on there, it lists everything that's in the kit. There's 13 items in the kit, and along with the kit I am supplying a 12 by 12 one sheet wonder tutorial, so that it will come with a PDF and a video tutorial. I can't show you all of the products like I normally do because this catalogue is so new. It's only gone live today. I've not been able to order any of these goodies, so I've ordered them today, and as soon as these items come, I'll come back on and I'll show you exactly what's in the kit. But there's lots and lots of things, but it is based around this beautiful DSP and the beautiful stamp set. So all of the details are over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I've had lots and lots of orders already for the new catalogue. It's gone absolutely wild. And one thing that I do want to just mention is, because it is my Stampin' Up anniversary, I'm going to give an extra gift to all of my customers. So if you shop with me from the catalogue in the month of June, as well as your regular thank you pack and extra goodies for using the hostess code, if you order with me and you spend £30 or over, you will receive an in colour ribbon share. So you'll get a yard of each of those ribbons absolutely free, and that is in addition to the normal thank you packs that I send out. So this is a little extra for all of my customers who shop with me online, £30 or over. So my shop link is over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Don't forget to use that hostess code. That is also there. Use that on all your orders when you order online, and you'll also get some goodies along with this in colour ribbon share. Now I still have I think it's, how many have I got left? Either 2 or 3 paper share spaces left. So if anybody's interested in my paper share, that is also over on my blog, and it's £40 including postage, and you also get free ribbons with that as well. So there you go. So just a really quick one. Look, I'm sticking things everywhere. This is one of my must-haves. This is the pop of petals. Now when I joined Stampin' Up 2 years ago, I joined to get petite petals, which this is very reminiscent of, so this was a must-have for me. So you get the stamp and the punch at the 10% bundle price. So I am away this weekend on my team retreat. I'm very, very excited, but come Monday morning I'm going to be doing lots and lots of videos next week for you. Lots and lots of new products to share, and lots of projects to share. So don't forget to check out my blog, scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Don't forget to use the hostess code, And also, if you shop with me and spend £30 or over, you're going to get some free ribbon. So that's to help me celebrate my Stampin' Up anniversary. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.